Hello, everyone. Today we will present a systems-based strategic marketing plan designed for a healthcare technology company focused on improving preventive healthcare access for underserved populations. This presentation explains how a strategic marketing system can create long-term value for the company, customers, and society by coordinating both internal and external stakeholders around solving a meaningful societal problem. The company in this example operates within the healthcare technology industry and is developing a new strategic initiative focused on preventive healthcare access. The primary problem being addressed is that many underserved populations lack consistent access to preventive healthcare resources. This often leads to poorer health outcomes, increased emergency care usage, and higher healthcare costs over time. This problem creates a strategic opportunity for the company to improve how underserved populations connect with preventive care, providers, and support resources. Rather than focusing on selling a product, this systems-based marketing strategy focuses on coordinating relationships, communication, and organizational processes that improve healthcare accessibility while also supporting sustainable business growth. This reflects the systems thinking concepts discussed in our course readings, where organizations focus on solving problems and creating value instead of simply promoting products. This diagram represents the external entities connected to the marketing team within the strategic marketing system. At the center is the marketing team, which acts as the coordinating hub between all external stakeholders. Healthcare providers contribute clinical expertise and patient care coordination. Insurance companies help align preventive care incentives and reimbursement support. Community organizations assist with outreach and help build trust within underserved communities. Government and public health agencies provide regulatory guidance, demographic information, and public health support. Technology vendors maintain digital infrastructure and ensure cybersecurity and system reliability. Educational institutions contribute research and program evaluation support. Patients and advocacy groups provide feedback regarding accessibility and customer needs. Finally, sustainability and social impact organizations help ensure that long-term societal and ethical goals remain part of the strategy. Together, these external relationships allow the organization to develop a more complete understanding of the problem while improving collaboration and long-term value creation.
Moving on, this diagram shows the internal departments connected through the marketing system. Again, the marketing team serves as the central integration point. Executive leadership defines strategic goals and ensures alignment with the company mission. The marketing department coordinates research, communication, and stakeholder integration. Data analytics teams track performance measures and evaluate outcomes. Operations ensures the strategy can be implemented efficiently and consistently. Information technology supports digital systems, data privacy, and scalability. Finance evaluates financial stability and long-term resource allocation. Human resources supports employee training and organizational cultural development. Customer experience teams gather feedback and identify service improvements. Finally, legal and compliance departments ensure the ethical and regulatory standards are maintained. Value creation through systems thinking. A systems-based marketing strategy creates value in several ways. For the company, it supports sustainable growth, stronger customer loyalty, improved reputation, and reduced long-term operational risk. For customers, the strategy improves healthcare accessibility, communication, convenience, and preventative care outcomes. For society, it contributes to improved public health, greater healthcare equity, and reduced strain on emergency healthcare systems. Unlike traditional marketing approaches that focus primarily on product sales and profit, this systems-based model aligns organizational success with customer well-being and societal improvement. This approach reflects Thomas's discussion of sustainability marketing and the importance of a whole systems perspective when developing long-term strategic value. Looking at strategic effectiveness, this strategy is effective because it connects different stakeholders focused on the same healthcare access issues. Instead of having each department look at the issues separately, the systems-based approach creates a more coordinated process. Marketing, operations, data analytics, finance, compliance, and other external partners all bring in different information into the strategy. That also makes the organization more responsive. If patients' needs change, or if the data shows that certain groups still face access challenges, the company can adjust the strategy rather than continuing with the same approach. The decision-making process also becomes stronger because it considers more than financial performance. It looks at customer access, business sustainability, and societal outcomes together. Over time, this kind of integrated system can support a long-term competitive advantage because the company is solving an important problem in a way that also supports public health and better access for underserved communities. In conclusion, this systems-based marketing plan shows how marketing can serve as an integration process across the organization. By connecting internal departments and external stakeholders, the strategy becomes easier to implement and better aligned with the access problem being addressed. The main takeaway is that long-term value is the strongest when business goals, patients' needs, and the broader community outcomes are planned together. Thank you.